What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Nora Crystal, and today I am going to show you guys the new Halloween houses that I built. Yeah, by me. Okay, and before we get going, before we are trying to get going to that Halloween house, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button. Also, you guys can go to see my Halloween costume in the video too, guys. So make sure to subscribe button if you guys want to see more video. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. Also guys, when I have a lot of people to recording, I will make a story like another YouTuber too. But now I am only the guy record the videos, so I don't have team to. I don't have a lot of team to make a teammate YouTuber, or I don't have a team to make a story. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. So that's our Halloween costume that I made it. But today the different things. Okay, so guys, right now because you have to take our houses to the Halloween house. Okay, let's change it. Ooh. Oh my god. So the Halloween house that I built is the gingerbread house. Because it has a lot of room, that's why I made it. Ooh, look! Is it too huge? I love it. Okay, so let's see now. So this is a new road Halloween that I made in the video. This is the blood waterfall. See? And what do you guys doing? They're glitching. Okay. The next one is the bathroom. Okay. So the bathroom is not look scary, but it's just I want to put it cute. Okay, the next is the kitchen. Ta-da! You can sit right here eating with your friend, hang out. Okay, put it right here, and I am alone. Okay, so there have some pizza, donut with a lot of stuff here. Let's take it. I kinda spend a lot in these houses. Okay, let's eat it up. Oh my god, it's so yummy. Okay, ooh. So the next one is the room of my skelly named Kachi Skelly. So it's not them, their name is Bony Twist, but they're the same as the scary. So it has a blood bed right here. We have some volcano to eating. Scary. We have some pumpkin, also the bed and the water. You can let your pet drink water like this. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So actually this server is the rich server, guys. Okay, the next one is the Ghosty World Bluey. It means my ghosty bunny. Oh my god. Okay, ta-da! So we have some. It's weird, right? Wait a minute. Wait. There you are. Okay, now ta-da! See? It's a cute thing awkward. Ooh, so right ahead here right now, we have some blue pink cute bed. Oh, what a sweet bed. The next is the two of the ghost bunny. It's so pretty nice. And we have the book. Also, this one we call the seraph case, the teddy bear. We can drink here, drink and eat. Okay. Oh, it's done. Well, let's go up here. We have some starlight, have a mirror with it called towel, and the bathtub. It's cute. Oh, let's take it to sleep. Okay, so let's go to the last one. It's going to be so amazing. Exactly, waiting for the bunny, Kelly, waiting for the bunny. I have to put the name Ghosty World Bluey. Guys, see? Okay, Bluey. I want to put Bluey too, but I want to put Bluey in the next one. Okay, let's take out my twist this guy back. Put it to sleep. Go ahead. No, not you. It's this one. Okay, so the last room is the bathroom. The albino bed and bedroom. So this room is actually not done yet, but we can take our pet to sleep here to be the Isis. And also, ooh, look at this. I can't boo right now. I don't have enough money to boo it. But it's okay, guys. I can boo it later. Because they already boo in these houses. And maybe next video I'm going to try to boo Christmas houses. That's going to be so amazing right now, I know. Because Christmas is going to be coming in the next month. I'm so waiting for the Christmas. Oh, what a pretty glory. The Christmas time. Everyone will love the Christmas time. It's so fun. Okay guys, so what do you guys think of our video today? If you guys enjoyed and want to see my video, like trade story, yeah, playing another in the Roblox game, Among Us, yeah, also the trading and giveaway pack, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button, say something in the comment section down below, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy. So see you guys in the next video. Wait, before we are going to next video, wait, I'm gonna glitch out. Take a fly pet. Frozen. Oh, and also I need last frost dragon. Wait, why I can glitch out? It's too weird. So you have to glitch out and fly it. Oh, look, oh my god. It's pretty nice. We still have a room right here. Also this here. But it's not that huge. Yeah, but ooh. We still have this up. I think I'm going to making a castle right here. Okay, so maybe the next video bullying the castle. I mean bullying the not Halloween castle. Bullying the bullying the fossil pet castle. I mean, all the dinosaur castle is right here. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button, say something in the comment section down below, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. So this now is actually bye. Bye. First, you say something. Make sure to click the subscribe button, also like. Bye. Bye.